Ten spakni przypomina polskiej kuchni. Jestem Jeremy and this is Mango Daddy Kitchen. And today we're gonna make Zupa krem ze szparagów. Cream of asparagus soup. So without further ado, let's begin. So we'll start by having some different asparagus. They're quite common now, and we chop their tips off and keep them separate. You need around 450-500 grams of asparagus. The rest we chop it up So as you can see, I have around 1 liter of milk, which I'm gonna put in the pan and scald it. That means you boil it. So let's do that. And we can start by putting the tips in one pot with boiling water and the rest in another. You tell me, how come you're using the mixer? I'm not. I'm preparing it because it has a powerful blender that I'm gonna use to blend the asparagi. So as you see, it's scalding the milk, so we switch it off. That's that, and remove it from heat before it continues. The asparagi are boiling. They have to be boiled until very tender, since the stock is very hard. So the asparagi are ready, quite tender. Remove them from water and liquidize them. I would add a bit of the milk or all of it to help in liquidizing better. Lock it in. Now once the asparagus are blended, we need to filter them because they have lots of fiber, and when you're having a soup it will be in your mouth. It's not that nice. So I'm gonna filter it 2 times. Now we're gonna pass it a second time to another finer strainer. Now that the asparagus is all strained, we do the next part. We take 30 grams of butter Melt it. Add around half teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons flour. So you practically have a roux. Brown it a bit and slowly you start adding the soup to thicken it. Continue mixing until the roux is amalgamated with the soup. Now, since it's almost ready, I have a piece of stale bread and we're gonna make some toasted bread on the side. Take the half piece of garlic and just rub it on the toast. Right, parsley. Right. So time to plate. So that's our Zupa creme ze szparagów, cream of asparagus soup. I hope you liked it and you'll make it. It's quite easy. The only thing that's a bit tedious is to pass it through a strainer. Otherwise it's very simple. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share. And see you in the next video. Do zobaczenia. Śnantek.